Office Turekam Jongkatanat Forest and Environment Kasorkar Jilla Nekasngi Kala Pynkut Iaka Wildlife Week Shillong Ionglang West Hills Halor Kapang Forest and Livelihood Sustaining People and Planet. Barhakani Gajukasngi La Paidbah Iaka ïing Duwan Raij Langdoh Ionglang Balashna the Katanat Forest here Ringkat Kajingadonlang USM Sahai Principal Chief Conservator of Forest Kum Ukongsan UHC Chaudhry, Chief Wildlife Warden, Kum Usimbot Kongsan, Ringkat Kajingadonlang, James M. Posngam, Udoloi ka Ilaka Ralyang, Usi Lingdo Bat Kiwe. Hagajingelang Balapanya, the Urikut Parin, Chairman Jongka khlaw plie, ka Raij Langdoh Ionglang Community Reserve Committee, ka Divisional Forest Officer Wildlife Kong H. Lato, Kalaong Bayakani ka ïing Duwan ka Raij Langdoh Ionglang, Lashna Hapo ka Integrated Development of Wildlife Habitat, Hakaba Katkum ka Wildlife Protection Act, La Aibori Katanat Sorkar Banyadai ki khlaw Badi ki Jaka Be Idonkam, Kumtai Yaka khlaw plie ha Ionglang, Lo notify Yaka Kum ka Community How Arajar Katnrio, But Lashna Haka Jinglut Balai Polak Tinka.
Very rich biodiversity, both flora and fauna we know, and Forest Department has been putting its best effort to preserve and conserve this in the best possible way. Our wildlife wing and also wildlife wing across the state and the wildlife division Janta Hills also is doing a commendable job. My congratulations to them. About this function, as I have said, this has been very well thought out and very well organized. My heartfelt congratulations to the prize winners of various competitions which have been organized as part of the Wildlife Week, which is culminating today. And about the cultural programs which has been put up here, what to say about that? They were just brilliant, so good. My compliments to all the performers. You were just superb. Congratulations to you as well.